Hello there and welcome to another video. On this video, I'm going to be going through some sites so you can get top discount codes for Seatgeek promo codes in 2024. And this is a verified platform. And on this platform, if you need a code, all you have to do is click on show code, and I'm just going to click on this and I'll head back here, and this should, all right, so let's remove this. Let's head back. Alright, so this is the code. I can copy the code and head over to Seatgeek, and of course go through a collection of what I need and of course apply the code. There are other platforms that offer promo codes. Let's see, so we have one here. This is Forbes, and well, let's check this one out. View deal, and this should display the code. No coupon. Let's see. All right, so I think these ones are active, so let's click on this. All right, so this is active. You can copy the code over here, and of course head over to Seatgeek and of course apply the code to whatever you're looking to do. So look out for these ones. Look out for those ones. Those are the active ones. I do not think these. Okay, these are all office codes. Let's click on codes. All right. So these are the available codes. So all you have to do is click on codes over here, and it should take you to the currently active codes, which you can use. All right, so that's from Forbes. Let's go to another platform. This is coupons.com. They equally offer really nice discounts. So let's see this coupon. Let's do that again. All right, so here is the coupon for this, and yeah, you can copy this and of course head back and apply it. And this is from coupons.com, one of my favorite. And let's see, so we have another. This should be the last. Yeah, so this works the same. Let's see, let's click on filters, all offers. So let's go to coupons and promo codes. Yes, wait for it to load. All right, so it seems that very few are available on this platform. Let's view coupon code. All right, and this is the coupon code here. You can copy. So there are a lot of platforms that offer coupon codes. All you have to do is be sure you're getting these codes from verified platforms. Else, there isn't really much of an issue when it comes to getting Seatgeek's coupon codes online. But if this tutorial was helpful, but that's it. And if this tutorial was helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.